All right, everybody, coming to you today with a Build 3 all aluminum. This window is 72 inches wide and 48 inches tall. Bronze color and finish, so brownish, dark brown. Here's our proprietary continuous hinge across the top. We have our painted alike grab handles on the exterior. And for those that are ever wondering, all of our units are wet glazed to the exterior. That's not rolling on the outside, that's wet glazed. Coming to the inside here, we have our strut covers. This is hiding the gas struts and the strut mounting hardware. Coming down here, we have our locking handle. Quarter turn unlocks the handle. But before we open the window, let's take a look at this glazing detail. Black spacer bar. Gonna go ahead and give this window a push to open. Opening to a full 90 degrees. Thermally broken extrusions here. And multi-point locking hardware. This window closes effortlessly with one hand. Shipping to Canton, Georgia. See you soon, Canton, Georgia.